Hey everybody, in this video you're going to learn 5 expressions using the word square. Our first expression is to be square. And to be square means to be boring. So we might describe a person as square, or an event or a party as square, meaning it's just boring. It's not very interesting. The next expression is to square away. To square away means that two people have reached an agreement. So let's pretend that there was some kind of disagreement between two people, and they wanted to square away their differences. They wanted to be very clear about who was responsible for what the other person was going to do, who was to blame, etc. It's a way of resolving a conflict, to square away. The next expression is to square off. Now, to square off is a phrasal verb, and it means to fight, like boxing. So if you think of a boxing ring, it's actually a square. And so when two boxers enter the boxing ring, they are squaring off against each other. So it means to fight. Our next expression comes from mathematics, and that is the square root. And the square root is the number multiplied by itself, which gives you another number. So for example, the square root of 9 is 3. The square root of 16 is 4. I had to think about it for a second. I'm an English teacher, not a maths teacher. Our last expression is to square a circle. So we might say that we cannot square a circle, meaning that something doesn't make sense, that we can't understand something or someone. So for example, if somebody tells us something that we know isn't true, or that we know just doesn't sound right, it leaves us confused, and so we might say, I cannot square the circle, meaning you don't understand what they're saying or what they're talking about. I hope that you enjoyed these 5 expressions using square. If you have any questions or concerns, leave them in a comment, send me a text or an email, donaldinchicago.com.